Ready to take flight without breaking the bank? We've rounded up the best cheap drones you can buy right now, so you can capture epic shots, race through the skies, or just have some fun, all for less. Whether you're a beginner, a hobbyist, or just looking for a cool new gadget, there's something here for everyone. Let's find your perfect drone. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and let us know in the comments which drone you think is the best fit for you. Your feedback helps us make better videos, and we love hearing from you. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. BETAFPV Cetus Lite FPV Drone Kit. The Cetus FPV Drone Bundle is a fantastic entry point into the world of first-person view flying. If you've ever wanted to experience the thrill of piloting a drone from the cockpit, this kit makes it easy and fun, even if you're a complete beginner. The Cetus is designed with a Whoop-style frame that fully encases the propellers and camera in a tough plastic shell. This means it can handle crashes and bumps without falling apart, which is a huge plus when you're learning or flying indoors. One of the standout features is the built-in sensor that lets the Cetus hover steadily at a set height. This makes it perfect for flying in tight spaces or practicing indoors where precision really matters. The video transmitter gives you essential on-screen flight data, so you always know your altitude, battery level, and more while you're flying. Another great bonus? The included controller isn't just for the drone. It also works with FPV simulators, so you can practice your flying skills virtually while your batteries recharge. The bundle even comes with a battery tester, so you're never caught off guard by a dead battery. Overall, the Cetus FPV bundle is a safe, affordable, and enjoyable way to dive into FPV flying. It's perfect for anyone who wants to experience the excitement of first-person drone piloting without spending a fortune or worrying about constant repairs. Number 2. DJI Mini 4K. The DJI Mini 4K is a standout in the budget drone world, especially considering DJI's reputation for high-end professional gear. While the Mini 4K is still available at a great price, it's worth noting that DJI has introduced the more advanced DJI Flip, which adds extra safety features and AI-powered tracking. But if you're looking for value, the Mini 4K is tough to beat. Despite its affordable price, the Mini 4K packs and some impressive features. You get a 3-axis stabilized gimbal for smooth cinematic 4K video, which is rare at this price point. The radio controller is high quality and connects to your phone with zero latency, solving the range issues found in the original Mini SE. This means you get reliable control and real-time video feedback, even at longer distances. The drone includes GPS for stable hovering and automatic return to home, so you don't have to worry about losing it. Quick-shot modes make it easy to capture social-ready videos with just a tap, and a landing sensor ensures gentle, safe touchdowns. Plus, its lightweight design means you can often skip registration in many regions, making it even more convenient. DJI hasn't skimped on the photography features either. You get RAW shooting, exposure bracketing, and panoramic modes, all packed into a compact, easy-to-fly drone. If you want excellent video quality and smart features without breaking the bank, the Mini 4K is a top pick and a great choice for both beginners and enthusiasts. Number 3. Potensic Atom SE. I've personally tested the Potensic Atom SE, and I can say it's a fantastic drone that holds its own against some of the biggest names in the industry. The main compromise here is the camera. There's no mechanical gimbal for stabilization. If you want that feature, you'll need to spend a bit more for the standard Potensic Atom. That said, many budget drones skip the gimbal and rely on their design to reduce vibrations. Potensic takes it a step further with the Atom SE by adding electronic image stabilization, which noticeably improves video quality. While it can't quite match DJI's stabilized footage or its own higher-end sibling, it still outperforms most drones in its price range. For most users, the Atom SE makes a lot of sense. It's fun to fly, and you can easily capture content worth sharing. The controller and app feel solid and well-made, not cheap or flimsy, which is a common issue with budget drones. If you're looking for an affordable drone that delivers good performance and decent video, the Potensic Atom SE is definitely worth considering. Number 4. Stone HS210. The Stone 210, which is similar to the Potensic A20 but easier to find, is my top pick for the best drone for kids. After testing it with my 8-year-old, who quickly took over the controls, I can confidently recommend it for young beginners. This drone is compact, sturdy, and comes in several fun colors. Its built-in pressure sensor lets it hover on its own, though like most small drones it may drift a bit and need occasional correction. There's also a headless mode for easier orientation, but I suggest sticking with the standard controls for better learning. Flying the Stone 210 is simple. Moving it around a room with just one control stick is actually easier than most video games. If it crashes, the solid propeller guards and lightweight design mean there's little risk of damage or injury. What really stands out is that its control layout mirrors more advanced drones, but with a kid-friendly, game-like controller. It's a safe, low-risk way for kids to learn real drone skills. Plus, learning to fly by watching the drone, not a screen, is both smart and fun. It's the perfect way to get future drone pilots started. Number 5. DJI Neo. Until recently, the HoverAir X1 was the clear leader in follow-me drones. But now, DJI has stepped up with the Neo, taking inspiration from the X1 and pushing things even further. DJI didn't just add AI tracking, they packed in their proven technologies from years of leading the drone market. The Neo is not only more affordable, but also offers a built-in 4K camera and longer battery life. DJI keeps updating it too, adding features like vertical video recording for social media and continually improving the tracking AI. A big advantage is DJI's reliable radio system, which lets you expand your setup. You can use the Neo with a traditional controller or try DJI's FPV wand and goggles for a more immersive experience. DJI even released new budget-friendly goggles N3, making it easier to learn acrobatic flight and filmmaking skills. While the Neo isn't as compact as the folding HoverAir, its cage design is lightweight and safe. If you can hold your hand steady for 30 seconds, you'll have no trouble using it. Overall, the Neo offers impressive value and opens the door to a whole world of creative drone flying. So, which is the best? For unbeatable camera quality, flight time, and value, the DJI Mini 4K is our top pick. It's the perfect balance of performance and price, making it the ultimate budget-friendly drone for beginners and enthusiasts alike. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.